Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm gonna show you how to see your library on Epic Games in website. So first, you need to log in into your epicgames.com. Then, go to your profile at the top right. Then look for account. Now, scroll down and look for apps and account. Then, in the center, you will see the library of your games. You will see here the Minecraft, Roblox, Valorant, and any games you download or your apps on your laptop. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.